In this tutorial, I will show you how to make crystal logo wiper effect in Adobe After Effects. Watch the video till the end without skipping, like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's start. Create new composition. Name you like it. Follow my setting and click OK. Then import your logo and drag here. Then right-click Logo Layer and click Pre-Compose. Name you like it. Click here and click OK. Double-click Layer. Right-click and New. Click Solid. Name this matte and click OK. Then go up, click Shape tool and create shape. Adjust your shape according your logo. Then click Mask one down arrow and create a keyframes to click Mask expansion stopwatch and decrease pixels to hide your shape. Then timeline indicator drag to 4 seconds, then increase pixel shape. Mask feather opacity to 100%. Then go effect and search roughen edges and drag to matte layer. And again go effect and search mosaic. Drag to matte layer. Then go effect control and horizontal blocks 150 and vertical blocks 25. Then click alpha matte option. And you don't see this option, to click toggle switches option. Then go back crystal layer. Click image layer and press Ctrl+D on the keyboard to duplicate layer, going effect and presets and search difference matte. Drag to first image layer. Go effect controls and difference layer change to second image layer, matching tolerance to 2% and matching softness to 0.5% and blur before difference to 2%. Then click transparent and click second image layer and slide layer slightly and click end up option. Then search cell pattern effect. Drag to your logo. And click cell pattern to click crystal HQ, contrast 150% and size 100%. Then hold Alt and click Evolutions stopwatch and click here and type to time *150. Then go effect and search CC vector blur. Drag to your logo. Amount to -150. Map softness to 0 and angle offset to 40 degree. You see your pattern very crystallize. Again, go effect and search tritone to colorize your pattern. You set color according your logo. Then glowing your logo to search deep glow and drag to your logo. Set exposure to according your logo and uncheck this box and mode to set screen. You see your logo looking very good. Then your logo more realistic to search exposure. Exposure channels to set individual channels and setting up color to accordingly. You see unclear glow issues. To fix this issues, to click project and click here and set the color depth to 32 bits. You like this tutorial, to subscribe to more interesting video and tutorial. Thanks for watching this video.